Hey guys, Ankit here. So I got the iPhone 13 Pro Max today, and this is the box. So you can see there's no plastic here, as Apple mentioned that they are not going for they're going for the more eco-conservative approach for the packaging. So it's just the box, and the way of opening is a bit different this time. So let's do the unboxing. And from the bottom part also. So yeah. And this is the, as you can see, this is the Sierra Blue. Yep, looks good, doesn't it? I know in some kind of light it also looks gray. In some kind of light it looks blue or even sky blue. So this is the 13 Pro Max 128 GB version, Sierra Blue. Yep. Now as you know that this time Apple has increased the weight of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's heavier than 12 Pro Max, but yeah, when I lift it up it doesn't feel that much. I'm also using the S21 Ultra, that is also a heavy phone. So this doesn't feel that much different. I mean, maybe because of the weight distribution has been done very properly here. So let's remove this. Yes. So here is the iPhone 13 Pro Max in all its glory. What else do we have in the box? So just some documents, the SIM ejector tool, the Apple sticker, and the USB-C to Lightning port cable. That's it. That's the nowadays that's the new reality. Minimal packaging and nothing else, no charger, etc. So I have the Apple charger from the last year's iPhone, so I will be using that. So here is the 13 Pro Max. So to be frank, it's not that heavy. I was expecting it to be like quite a heavy device. It doesn't feel that much. On paper it is. So this is it guys, this is my small unboxing. Let me know if you have any questions, you want me to cover anything, and I will be doing that in the following videos. And see you in the next video. Cheers.